Hey there! Today I'm going to give you a complete review of How to Use Multiplier Payroll, a step-by-step guide for global payroll management. So let's get started. Multiplier Payroll is a cloud-based platform that helps businesses manage global payroll with ease. It allows companies to pay employees in multiple countries, handle local compliance rules, and manage taxes automatically. The platform is designed to save time, reduce errors, and provide a centralized solution for payroll management. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, it gives you control and visibility over payroll operations, all from one dashboard. Pros. This is great because it supports payments in multiple countries and currencies, making international payroll hassle-free. The best part is it automatically calculates taxes, social contributions, and statutory compliance, so you don't have to worry about local regulations. It's user-friendly with a clean and intuitive dashboard, making navigation easy for HR teams. It reduces manual work significantly, so your HR team can focus on strategic tasks instead of repetitive payroll entries. It provides detailed real-time reports and analytics, making it simple to track payroll, generate insights, and plan budgets. It also offers secure data handling, ensuring employee information is safe and confidential. Cons. Some advanced features may only be available in higher subscription plans, which could be costly for smaller businesses. For very small teams or startups, the wide range of features might feel overwhelming at first. Customer support response times may vary depending on your location or subscription tier. Integration with certain local software or banks might require additional setup or assistance. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.